This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. My friends, welcome back to the Daily Zest. 3 Diglets already giving me $50. What is going on? What is going on? The Daily Zest. This is crazy. Thank you so much, 3 Diglets. Welcome to the show, everyone. Woo! Guys, Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping. Welcome to the stream. Check out Cake Wallet, our sponsor, and also Market Cipher. Use that link in the live chat and in the description. Yo, what is going on, guys? Happy Friday. We are pamping. We are pamping. This is some crazy stuff. Sophia, hi, Sophia. Much love to you. Hugs to Sophia. I need a lot of hugs right now because I am zesting. I am full on woed right now. Bitcoin is pumping. We got to take a look at these charts. Again, shout out to 3 Diglets for literally starting us off with the $50 super chat. I didn't even do anything yet. I didn't even say hello. I'm just existing. So thank you. I appreciate it. I want to say hi to everybody in the chat. 3 Diglets, the king. We also got Struggling Man with the bear emoji. We got Alexandra G said, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Flat Smack is here. John Jermaine, Fred, a.k.a. Fuddy, is over there. We got Geek of All Trades looking for some cookies. Automatic Beats, nice to see you. Joe, what is up? Nice to see you. Ransel, what's up? My Digibyte family. Guys. A lot of things happening. Let's get 100 likes and 100 live viewers. We're getting right into it. I don't have any news for you guys. I was sitting there on TikTok, just chilling on the TikToks. And then I said, oh my gosh, I have to let YouTube know what's going on today. Thank you, Kenny, O, and Sophia, for those lovely 2 roses. I appreciate it. Yes, we are breaking out. We are breaking out. Sin in the chat. Nice to see you. John said, why are you on YouTube today? Big news. We are pumping. Dynastic, nice to see you. Guys, smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. Don't waste any time. Be zesty individuals. I literally don't have anything pulled up here. I literally only have 1 tab, as you guys can see. I couldn't contain my emotions. I had to come on stream and let you guys know what was going on. Now, it might be a quick stream. I don't know. I'm just here to talk. We got Bitcoin over here. As you can see, Market Cipher let us know that we were having an uptick in money flow as per this money flow action heading towards that 0 line. Now, the VWAP heading down does not make me happy. Does not make me happy, but the momentum shift is insane. The momentum shift is insane. We printed green dots, then we went pow. We're up 4.73%, guys. We're still continuing in the green for Bitcoin. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, what is going on? What is going on? The other day, we were on this stream and we were saying we want to see above 27.1, 27.2. We broke it. Then our next goal was in the middle of this range, like 27.8. And then our next goal was 28.4. We broke out. We broke out. Now we are surpassing our highs that we saw mid-April, which was around $30,050. We now have Bitcoin breaking out again. We are up how much percent today? 4.73, $31,309 Bitcoin. I wasn't going to waste any minutes. I wasn't going to make any waste of time. I had to let you guys know what was happening. Now, previous to this level, we haven't seen levels like this for Bitcoin since, let's see, June of 2022. We haven't seen these levels. And that was coming down from Moon. So can this be indicative of a bright and healthy future for us? Absolutely. Bitcoin is inevitable. We went through nap time. We were like, oh, we saw nap time, 15 to 17K. Everyone slept on Bitcoin, said Bitcoin was dead. It was going to 10K, 8K, 3 to 0. And we said no. We said no, not at all. We know Bitcoin is inevitable. We mooned. We went up to this little range. We recovered from FTX in January. We were sideways trading between 23.6 and 24.8. And people still said we are going to 10K Bitcoin. But then Signature Bank collapsed. All the TradFi started to crumble. And it reflected in Bitcoin price. We shot up. We saw our sideways trading. People got worried. And now this is where we're at. Pamping it up. So to all of those bears, get wrecked. Clicker, thank you for the hat and mustache. Appreciate it. Everyone is getting wrecked. Bears getting wrecked. Now I would like them to cry. Cry, little bears, cry. We're doing well today, guys. We are doing well. We are doing well. I'm so happy for us. I am so happy for us. Sticking through all these rough times, we knew, friends, this sideways trading, we were going to break out eventually. We were going to break out eventually. Now we are. Now, okay, maybe we can retrace. But that's okay. Number can't always go up. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Who am I pointing to? Everybody. I am hype. As you guys can see, let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum's over $1,900, which you know that is where we want to be. Now I will talk about our price action and our levels in a second. Just like on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, we printed green dots upon market Cipher, double green dots. It was like, let's go. Momentum shift, VWAP heading down, but now we have green money flow for Ethereum, which is good. I like green money flow. We're up 3.19% for Ethereum, $1,931 Ethereum. We're breaking out. We are breaking out. Now, again, we sideways traded here for a long time between 1,700 and literally 1,820 Ethereum. And then we broke out. We touched $2,100 Ethereum. We retraced. People got nervous, but then we had a nice little rebound here. Now our next target was literally 1911, and literally yesterday we bobbed and weaved at that number. How insane. We said it on this stream, my friends. We said it on this stream. We now are facing a point where we are just dangling, I say, between $1,900 and $2,000 Ethereum. And I'm telling you, my friends, I want to see my next level. I think is 2014 or maybe 18 or maybe 1997, like right here where we had this point that we got to and rejected. But I would look at literally 1997 Ethereum and $2,000 Ethereum. Those are the 2 points I'm looking at. I want to see it. I want $2,000 Ethereum. I'm craving $2,000 Ethereum. I will not settle for less. Make sure you guys are smashing these likes and sharing this stream out with friends. Gary Gensler says, RIP the mic. Gary, RIP your bearish vibes. RIP your bearish vibes. Three Diglets said, Bitcoin looking juicy. I think that's a way to describe it, my friend. Three Diglets. I think that is definitely a way to describe it. Coin says you need a cookie. This is your cookie. This green candle, that is your cookie. Now, let's see how sweet our cookie is. We had a wick low. Let's go from the wick low up to where we are now. That's up 19% since Thursday, June 15th. Only a week. About a week. That's crazy. Automatic Beat says that's a pickle. I don't know. Is it a dill pickle? Is it a kosher pickle? Is it a sour pickle? It matters. It matters what pickle you're talking about. Avo, nice to see you, Jason. Getting that Randy bump in the crypto markets. Friend, I feel like this is the vibe that is happening. I don't know. I'm just kidding. I'm not pumping the markets. That's crazy. Gary Gensler, you're a sour pickle. Now, sorry, I'm getting exposed for my basic trading view. Now, listen, man, you pamp it up. I am excited. I want to see $2,100 Ethereum, but let's not be greedy. Let's get that bread. Let's get that $2,000 Ethereum. That guy says sweet pickle. I don't think Gary Gensler is a sweet pickle. No. Automatic Beats depends if I'm Jewish. You know what? I think that, honestly, Jewish delis have the best pickles. And I am a big fan. PT says, great show, Randy. Hello from Portugal. Much love to you, PT from NYC. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being a part of this community. If you guys are here, make sure you guys are smashing these likes. Yes, this is an unplanned YouTube live. Thank you, Carla, for subscribing to the channel. Thank you. I appreciate it. I love. ENF, you are right. This is unplanned. Okay, good. Nice to see you. Whoa. Justin Eubanks is here. Nice to see you. All right, my friends. Make sure if you guys are here, smash these likes and share this stream out with friends. I need to see the likes. I need to see the absolute love and prosperity in this chat. We need to talk about Litecoin, man. Litecoin is on the verge. It is going where I want it to go. Up. Let's go Litecoin. We're at $88, 85-cent Litecoin, up 3.39 beautiful percent. Beautiful percent. Kenyo, tell me how Sophia feels about the charts right now. I need to know how Sophia feels. I need to know. Bill, nice to see you over there on the TikTok. Now, what I find interesting here is that we are literally on the cusp of a breakout in money flow here, according to Market Cipher. Now, we're really zooming in. We're really looking at the inner workings here. Money flow has switched. It looks like a rapid switch in money flow. Oh, gosh.
Randi is my custodial wallet. I trust her with my 12-word seed phrase.
Joe, do not start problems with me, Joe. Don't make me yell at you, Joe. I yelled at you over Instagram, and I don't want to yell at you on YouTube Live in front of all of these people that are watching. I'm not yelling at you anymore. I'm not your custodian. I'm the custodian for your $5 in fiat now. 12, not 24 seed. All set miner. No, Joe, no. Again, rapid switch in green money flow here. Now we are taking a gander at the daily chart. We have been riding up with Litecoin. Now, I told you guys our next goal was we said this yesterday. Our next goal was $91 Litecoin. $91, then $95 Litecoin, and then $102. That's what we need right now. That's what we need. Creighton, you need raisins for your cookies, don't you? Little Creighton. Hi, Creighton. As you can see, we have gone up 24% around for Litecoin in just the past few days since the 15th. So literally a week. A week. $88.94. Guys, we had a wick here of $90.41 Litecoin. I want $91 Litecoin. This is our target. This is our target. Now, we've just been seeing Litecoin just accumulate, retrace, but always making it back up, man. Always making it back up. And Litecoin leads the market. It does not give a freaking sheesh what's happening with the rest of the market. People slept. You see this sleep emoji? People slept on Litecoin. When it hit that low in mid-March, early March, I should say, at $66, people slept on it, bro. People slept on it. John Germain said, wow, such talk. What are you doing to her, Joe? Joe gets me feisty, bro. Joe tries to mess with me. He's trying to make me be his crypto custodian. People really do try to give me their seed phrase. They're like, Miss Teen, or like even friends and family, they're like, can you hold my seed phrases? I know I'm not supposed to give them out, but can you hold them for me? No, I will not hold your freaking seed phrases for you, even though I feel like I am trustworthy of that. So Sophia's dancing, they're partying. Let's go, Sophia.
Like my janitor.
Joe with your $5 super chat. Custodian like my janitor. You know what? That's wrong. That is wrong. I don't even know if I should be offended by that, but I don't know. I'm not a janitor. I remember you used to call janitors custodians. Yeah, I remember wow. Gave me school flashbacks there. But no, Joe, no. I'm not your janitor. I'm here to clean up. Maybe. Am I here to clean up a mess of some sort? I think I'm here to maybe clean up the education and help people get educated on Bitcoin and crypto. NTC should have a handoff to the loved one unless you're like me. My crypto dies with me. A lot of people go that route. Juan Lewis at 50K Bitcoin. Let's go. Listen, man. Oop, wrong overlay. Now, we do... Oof. Over $31,000 Bitcoin. Don't you freaking love to see it? Don't you love to see it? And now we could look at the weekly too, because we're heading into the weekend. We had a beautiful green week. Look at this. Look at this beautiful week. Oh my gosh, my heart. My absolute heart. BTC said pickle. Nice to see you. Juan Lewis, don't give me your seed phrase, please. Solomon, nice to see you. Creighton. Yavenji Klaus, can you explain what this chart is saying? That Bitcoin is going up is what it is saying. That Bitcoin is pumping. That it's literally respecting, as Mitch Ray would say, respecting the TA. Respecting the TA. Now, I was looking at this level, my friends, that if you look at this green line, follow it back. Oopsie. you could see that 31.8 was a point that we were trying to tap and failed at a few times while we were coming down June last year. So I want to see 31.8 Bitcoin. That would be super spicy. But now it seems like we're dropping down a little bit. Ken's log is here. Ken's log. Flat smack. If someone asks me to hold their C phrase, I'll teach them a lesson. Oh no. Guys, if you're a member, please drop your 100 emojis in the chat. Please smash these likes. Let's get 100 likes and 100 live viewers, pretty please. If you guys think Bitcoin is hitting 32K today, put a 1. If you think Bitcoin's not hitting 32K today, put a 2. 1 for 32K and 2 for no. Bullish Bradley, welcome to the stream. Alexandra G, thank you for your love. Roy Kim, it's FOMO season. I think people are doing some stuff. Creighton C, what did I do this time? I gave you back the ring. Creighton, it's just constant issues with you, Creighton. It's constant issues with you, Creighton. I feel like we're always at an impasse here. We're always at an impasse. You don't even have the Zesty 100 emojis, Creighton. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ali Shadow Kid Pretty Purple Claw Mitten Rod Lava Crouch Curve Guilt. There you go, guys.
Antonio, no, with your $5 super chat. Please, no. Please don't give your seed phrases to the chat via super chat. No, Antonio, no. No, don't do it. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry.
Randy, I need my seed phrase back, Plaza.
No. You know what? You give them to me. Now you don't get them back. Now you don't get them back. You know, guys, put it in the chat. Put your opinion. Should I keep Creighton's... Should I keep... not Creighton. Why am I talking about Creighton? I'm reading his comment. That's why. You have commitment issues. I can't with you, man. I cannot. Guys, put a 1 in the chat if you think I should give Joe his hypothetical seed phrases back, or put a 2 if you think I should keep them. 1 for giving it back and 2 for keeping it. No, wait, 1 for keeping it and 2 for giving it back. So 1, should I take Joe's seed phrases and run away with them? Or 2, give them back. Crypto Crag, let's go for 32K. That's what I'm saying, guys. I'm looking for 32K Bitcoin. Although we just dropped below 31, I don't know. We're gonna look at this hourly chart here. We had this pump really in the last 1.5 hours. Hondaland, nice to see you. So you guys think I should keep Joe's private keys? Okay. So what about Antonio? Do you guys think I should keep Antonio's seed phrases too? I think I should keep Antonio's seed phrases. Yeah. I think they're mine now. MetaMask is in the chat. We love MetaMask. Thank you for coming. BTW, I use Arch. He thinks I should keep the seed phrases too. All right, I think that's everything we discussed here. All right. There you go. That's not appropriate for the SEC chair. 6.9, Gary Gensler writes. I can't with you, Gary. Eric, wait, what day is it, Randy? You're live on YouTube? Yeah, man, we're live on YouTube because we want 200 likes like MetaMask is saying, and also because Bitcoin is mid-pamp. Mid-pamp. Gary Gensler, 69.420. You know what? I think that's a cool digit you have right there. So I'm gonna allow it. I want to pin your comment. Gary. I think I might. It's not my fault you're always thinking about me. It's because you're both adorable and handsome. Rare combo. I can't, man. I can't with you, man. Listen, Creighton, you can't talk that much smack. I can't. I'm feeling... you see my face right now? I can't. Joe might come after you, though, because I have his seed phrases, and he might come after you for all of it. You're making a soundbite of me saying the number? Okay, that's fine. Go for it, man. It's just the number. Aren't we all adorable and handsome? Absolutely, Ken's log. Absolutely. You guys are all beautiful people. Network. Joe, stop it in the chat. Joe, I think we're gonna have issues. I think I have to yell at you. But you said, oh, I can't yell at you. I can't. I think I have to be quiet. I think the way to unlock Joe and Creighton is maybe to not give them the satisfaction of yelling at them. I think I have to maybe be extra nice to you. So that way we can fix our issues. Maybe you have to reverse psychology this sheesh. Garrett Gensler said he's adorable and handsome. I'm a little scared. Okay, good, says you over Creighton. Creighton, you're being one-upped. You're being one-upped in supers. You're being one-upped in the chat. R.I.P. Creighton. I guess he's not getting more raisins for his cookies. Skipping Stones, nice to see you. No, Bulldog, you're a beautiful individual. Inside and out, my friend. Inside and out. Inside and out. I'm going to go take a look at our crypto bubbles. Again, friends, I am just like, out here looking at random things. I really didn't pull up any news. I wanted to do a short stream today, just because all of this is just crazy, and I just needed to know and let you guys know what's going on. You're Italian, not yelling at us will be like giving up your carbs. It's against your nature. You know what, Creighton? I think you know me better than I thought you did.
You have issues.
I have issues. Me, Joe. Joe, you have issues. You see what you're writing to me on social media? Miss Teen holds my keys. You think other people aren't going to ask me to do the same thing? No. Joe, you got to watch it, bro. You got to watch it. I know you're like you're a smart guy. You're in the mining groups and everything. But sheesh, I think we're going to have problems. I think we're going to have to beef. Give Joe some of my cookies. I don't know if that would help our issues. I don't think me giving Joe a cookie would help the issues. I think it would just make him even more rambunctious. More giver. My issues. You got some issues. Automatic. Take some tissues for all the issues. Yeah, you know what? Let me get you a tissue, guys, for the issues. Take a look at our bubbles. Here you go. Here's a tissue. It's actually a napkin, so it's a little thicker than the tissue. I feel like it'll give you extra tear coverage. So there you go. When MTC X Joe video, I don't know, man. I don't know. Joe goes live. He just lets me know like when it's like 10 o'clock at night. No, Joe says some woman keeps hitting me up because I commented on your phone. Oh yeah, it's okay. Listen, man. People want to talk to you, Joe. People want to talk to you. Listen, we got Doge up 2%. FTT is a big gainer for some reason. And then we have BSV is up. BCH is doing good. Sorry that I keep clicking this. I'm just a clicker. Sand is doing good. Litecoin is up, of course. Let's look at the week. I want to see what this week has been for us. Jay the Treasure Hunter. Does Digibyte have a bubble? It doesn't have a bubble. And I don't see why not. But it didn't have big gains this week. Did it, Digibyte? We could take a look at Digibyte. You guys know I am a big fan of Digibyte. I've been talking about Digibyte since I literally got on Twitter. Literally since 2020. There's gifs of me in Digibyte swag and everything. I still have my Digibyte swag. Oh gosh, Joe.
She's not a real Italian. Sicilian.
I'm not a real Italian. I'm Sicilian. How would you even know that? How would you even know that? Joe, I think you're just causing like mad speculations out here. Mad speculations. I don't even know if I know if I'm Sicilian. That's the thing. That's what's really wrong about the situation. Do I have a full Bitcoin now? No, I don't have a full Bitcoin. Maybe one day I will have a full Bitcoin. I'm working towards it. I'm just a little gal out here, trying to become something, with some Bitcoin, but I'm not there. Any news about the sheesh emoji? See, I was going to do that this morning, and then I got held up because I was doing this. But you know what? I could see if I could make a sheesh emoji on the fly if you guys want me to. I could take the time and try to do it. But I got to get that sheesh emoji. You are right. Let's see if I could create emojis on this app right now. Emoji, Let's see if I could start like a little thing. Da 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 da. Yeah, let's add an emoji. I'm gonna work on that. I don't think I could do it right now because it's gonna be like a little bit. I need like a square shape. I would like to have your guys' input maybe on it too, but I could work on a sheesh emoji. I could work on that for you guys, no problem. No problems. But let's look at Digibyte for a second since we were just talking about it. I do have a Digibyte membership. Okay, good. You just subscribed. That's amazing. Welcome. Welcome to the fam. So this is the daily chart for Digibyte. As you can see, it's kind of, the price action hasn't been too great. You know, like these lows that we saw here, we didn't really see for freaking years beforehand. I don't even know where I'm scrolling right now, is how far back I'm going. But, oh gosh.
Change your username already.
Joe, watch it. Change your username. Why don't you change your username? Why don't you put Joe as your username instead of Network Bits? Let's be real. Let's be real. I'm just kidding. Guys, so you guys, if anyone's watching the replay, me and Joe aren't actually beefing. He's just trolling me, and I troll him back because I think he deserves it. Now, we do have levels right now that we are seeing in Digibyte that we haven't seen really since November of 2022. I'm hoping that we could recover. I remember seeing like 1 cent Digibyte. Yeah, this is where it was in April. I remember seeing 1 cent Digibyte, and then before that, February, we were doing pretty good. I want to see 1 cent Digibyte. I mean, I know we're not like necessarily that close to that right now. We basically have to like double with Digibyte to get to that point. But I would like to see 1 cent Digibyte. That's what I'm really looking out for. Let's see. Hold on. I know my lines aren't straight, but we're getting there. We are getting there. All right. And even money flow. Let's look at the money flow here. It seems like we're having a curve up with money flow. VWAP seems to be heading down, though. I don't like that. I want to see a momentum shift. Javier said, I just learned don't eat cookies in the shower. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, man. That would be nice. That would be nice. There we go. All right, so here's 1 cent Digibyte.
Listen, Karen.
What? You just called me a Karen? I am so upset by that. Joe, I'm so upset. You know what, Joe? I don't even know what to say to you right now. I was going to say something, but I'm like, no, I'm not going to say it to you. Because I don't think you deserve the zest. I don't think you deserve the spice. I don't think you want me to really go off, Joe. I don't think you want me to. You're enjoying the price action. You're also building up to 1 Bitcoin. Me too, man. Listen, we're both on the same train. We'll get to our 1 Bitcoin one day. Just keep accumulating. Listen, if you look at, you know, Bitcoin in the past, and if I highly suggest, friend, that you're on TikTok, head over to YouTube, because if you look at, we're looking at the chart as I'm talking to you, where if you look at Bitcoin, right, and the level it's at now, the last time we really saw this level was June of last year. But if you look at the chart and all the dips in between, you could have been dollar cost averaging and accumulating during this time, no matter where the price was. So, oh gosh. Ken's Log became a member for 5 months. Thank you. He said MTC Custodian LLC. Ken's Log, no! Ken's Log, no! I didn't expect you to go on this train too. Does everybody want me to be their Karen custodian? Oh, no. I can't do this. I can't do it. And then Bullduck became a member for 8 months and said, can we curse at Joe? Because you did that, then maybe I can give you permission to do that. You can sheesh at Joe. You can give him all the sheesh. What happened, Zippy? What happened, Zippy? I saw Zippy sent a chat. What did he say? He said, boom. Just in SEC approves first leverage Bitcoin ETF? No freaking way. I don't know if I believe you, Zippy. I don't know if I believe you. I got to search the google.com for this. I have to search the google.com. Where'd you get this from, Zippy? Zippy, where is this happening? Did Watcher Guru post this? Because it seems like a Watcher Guru thing to post. Let me see. I'm going to watch out for this. Hold on. I am getting the informations. I will get the facts for you guys. Keep looking at the chart. Admire the chart. Look at how beautiful the chart is. Ignore network bits if you're... ignore Joe because he's being mean to me in the chat by giving me super chats and being mean during the super chats. He's just taking advantage of the loudspeaker here. Throw those 100 emojis in the chat. Oh my gosh. Wait, I have to check. I'm checking Watcher Guru. See what they tweet. I always look at Watcher Guru. Shout out to Watcher Guru on Twitter. They're freaking nuts. Yes, they tweeted it. They said SEC approves first leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF. Let's go, guys. Guys, let's go. Oh, gosh. What do you got to say
Bull
now?
Duck. Ducks are the rapists of the bird kingdom. Google it, I'm serious. Smiley face.
Joe. My patience is wearing thin here. It's wearing thin. So now we have a leveraged Bitcoin ETF in the United States. Guys, like I've been telling you, it's literally what we have been saying this entire time remains true. Bitcoin is truth. Bitcoin is inevitable. And the United States cannot afford to stay behind and let all of these other countries innovate and bring the ETFs, bring crypto custody, bring crypto trading. Boom, boom, boom. SEC, you heard it here, friends. You heard it here. First leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF approved. This is huge news. And it's leveraged. Again, this is what's crazy about it. Javier, yes. 3 Diglets. This is a time to celebrate 3 Diglets. The SEC approved the first leveraged Bitcoin ETF. The first Bitcoin leveraged ETF. Jaguar Cloud. What is going on? Case, nice to see you. Lazarus is in the chat. Zippy, thank you for the information. UK Miners Club, same to you. Same to you. This is insane, guys. This is insane. BlackRock wants to fork BTC and buy yours for 25 cents on the dollar. They will try, BlackRock. They will try. My friends, make sure you guys are smashing these likes and sharing this stream out. This is crazy. This is crazy. We're heading back up. Guys, we're heading back up. 30,938. We are on the verge of some zest, guys. We are on the verge of some zest. We need to get back over 31K. We need to get back over 31K. Of course, Gary Gensler's not going to say anything. Rose said that was approved quickly. Yep. Is this BlackRock's leverage? Is this BlackRock's ETF? I don't think so. Is it? If they're doing leverage, then that's interesting. Wait, BlackRock leveraged Bitcoin ETF. Let's see if this is their ETF. It seems like I don't know. I'm not getting any updates on this. This is very frustrating, guys. Sheesh indeed. I mean, listen, we're at 30,930. Switch to the 5-minute chart. All right, Ian, if you're telling me. Retro Mike said you left an interview to be here. Heard the chat was popping off. Retro Mike, we are popping off because Joe's bullying me. So if you could out-bully Joe, bully Joe, that would be great. Here's the 5-minute chart for Ian F. Meninja, it's great to see you, friends. It's getting spicy in here. Absolutely. This is where the zest happens. I mean, the last 15 minutes, we haven't really been doing much, according to the 5-minute chart. We had that nice little run up here on the 5-minute chart and a retrace here.
Bulls are the mascots for the bull market in crypto. That makes up for the duck part, Joe.
Thank you, Bulldog, for tipping $5 through this link. I appreciate it. This way it goes directly to me. I appreciate you so much, Bulldog. And yes, please roast Joe through Super Chat. I think that is the best way to roast him, as he tries to roast all of you through Super Chat. So there you go. Here's the link for anyone that was wondering how he just did that. It's getting spicy indeed. Alexandra G knows the spice. Zippy said, "How is my froggy doing?" I will go. I will get that for you. I'll pull up Pepe for you. No problem. Oh gosh, Joe, I'm gonna get mad at you.
How was the proof of circle jerk interview?
Whoa. All All right, Joe, we got to watch our language in these super chats, okay? This is a family-friendly show. Let's watch the super chat. What does this mean? This means that Bitcoin is pamping out here. Even Pepe, here's the 5-minute chart on Pepe. Pepe's pumping up 9%. This is a daily chart for Pepe. I don't have my lines drawn out here for Pepe like I do on Dex Tools. So let me go grab that. Pepe is hot today. There we go. Pepe, we're pulling it up. Pepe, as you can see, the buy and sells are coming in, but a lot of buy orders we saw were coming in yesterday. All right, here's our Pepe chart. Here's the Pepe. Here's the Pepe. And it's on the hour time frame, if you guys were wondering. So let's switch it to the daily. All right, here we go. So now we are breaking out with Pepe. We were sideways trading pretty much in this range since May 20th. It is, since May 20th. So it's been over a month. We trended to the bottom of our range, had a wick. Literally, how on point were we, guys? A wick touched the bottom of our range and is now breaking out. Seems like it's struggling to break out a little bit, but hopefully it does. And then maybe the next level I would look at, like right now we're at 1686, and now I would look for like 2032. That'd be zesty. That would be zesty. I'm just having fun at the chat. Don't look at candles, lol. Yeah, listen, we're always looking at the candles out here. We're always looking at the candles. What are you guys saying in the chat? Is Joe being nice to our favorite Hipper? I hope you mean I'm your favorite Hipper, because he's definitely nicer to Emma. Everyone's nicer to Emma than me. So mean. It's so mean. Let's look at Gensler coin. I know Gensler, like there's a meme coin called Gensler. I want to take a gander at that one too. As Gary Gensler's making these moves. Gensler, oh no, it's down 8%. Poor little Gensler. Look at that, Gensler. Sheesh. Very volatile here. Not Bitcoiner. What happened with Bitcoiner, Kenslog? I miss Bitcoiner. Can you call Bitcoiner and tell him to come back to the stream? I miss him. Emma equals Star Child. So you guys all love Emma more than me? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so sad. It's okay. You guys could like Emma. I mean, Emma's like, okay, you know. She's aight. She's aight. Emma said true. She's so mean. She's so mean. Let's see. I know you guys want a new emoji. I want to make you guys a new emoji. I have to make you guys a sheesh emoji. I'm going to think about it. Like, I got to pick the text. Let's see if I could actually use this. I think I kind of like this. Hold on. Sheesh. What do you guys think about this? Is this a good font? Do you guys like the color? Maybe I'll just add the emoji now, like while we're here. I think this is cool. This is pretty cool. No? You don't like it? Look at that background. Hi, Lando. Welcome, Lando. Lando was giving me sheesh on TikTok. Cash in and cash out. Bake cookies. I'll be your friend for life. I do bake cookies. Spaghetti or pizza. Ooh. Think pizza, you know. I love my pasta, though. I love pasta, man. Like, it is the absolute best. It is the absolute best. I love food. I really do love food. Food is the best. Gradient, flowy, bright color. The S's should be dollars. Go be creative. I mean, listen. How would it look if the S's were dollars? Sheesh. Ooh, that's pretty dope, Ken's log. I think I like that. I think I like that. What about this? This is a cool font too. I don't know. I'll edit it, but I guess I could put it for now. Let's like resize. Let's get a nice ratio. Let me see. Sheesh emoji. I'm going to try to add it for you guys now. Let's see if it happens. If it doesn't, then it's all good. hope everyone bought the dip. I hope you guys are buying the dip. Listen, I can't even tell you guys that because I think you should do whatever you want whenever you need to. But a lot of people are buying the dip. They are getting zesty. Take a look at the charts. We're going to go back to Bitcoin. We got $30,967 Bitcoin. Now, I do hope that we could, again, break this level, go to 31K, and even 31.8, I was telling you guys, is a level that I was looking out for. That would really be fun to approach, get some zest out of, and continue on with our stream. I know the hype is really here, so that's why I'm trying to get this sheesh emoji out here and get it on for you guys. So that way, maybe you guys refresh it or whatnot, and I'll be able to, we could do sheesh. Hold on. All right, I can add sheesh, select image. Guys, I think it worked. Guys, please refresh your YouTubes and let me know if you see the sheesh emoji. All right, Bitcoin's still going up. Let's head, it's still inching back up towards 31K. We had a wick high of 31.4 today, so I'm hoping we could break that. We could go above it and keep going. In and out crypto, hola to you. Guys, please refresh. Let me know if you guys see the new sheesh emoji. Let me know if you see it. Let me know if you see it. Let's get 100 likes and 100 live viewers. We're still not there yet. I would still love to get that going. Let me see if you guys see the sheesh emoji. Do you guys like it? Do you guys like the sheesh emoji? Oh, it looks really cool. Ooh.
Ms. Custodial Karen.
Oh gosh, Retro Mike with your $5, Miss Custodial Karen. I am not your Custodial Karen. I will not. You want it to be bigger? The sheesh is kind of small. It is kind of small. Why is it small? I don't know. I gotta see. Like, I think I have to fix it, man. I do have to fix it. You guys are right. You guys are right. I'll work on it post show. And I'll see what I can do with this because I want to make sure that we do the right thing here with the sheesh emoji. Oh, I think this was the problem. I think I know what the problem is. I think I got it. So let me see. You guys could check it out. I'll replace the sheesh that we have now with the one I just fixed. Replace. There we go. Save and publish. All right, refresh your page. Let me know if you see this new sheesh emoji and if it's better. I can't believe I'm doing this live. We're at 31K. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're pumping, we're pumping, we're pumping. We're going to the 5-minute chart. We're going to the 5-minute chart. We are pamping. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's break out. Let's break out. We want above this level, friends. We want above this level. It's the same thing. If any, guys, it's still little. Oh, this is so annoying. All right. I'm going to figure it out, guys. Same sheesh as before. Literally sheesh. Hi, Destroyer 1911. All right, guys. I guess I'll work on it. I'll see if I could get a better sheesh emoji for you guys. Of course, Joe's laughing. Change the color and the outline. Okay, MetaMask. I'll work on it. Like I said, I just want to get something for you guys up now.
Randi is my favorite Hipper.
Oh, of course, Retro Mike. No, Retro Mike, Joe. I thought it was Retro Mike. That's not that one, too. Joe, of course, he's your favorite. You know what? It's fine. You guys love my family more than me. I guess I'm just going to have to accept it. This is the 5-minute chart for Bitcoin. We're looking to recover and maybe go to 31.3 or maybe the high of today. Maybe 31.4, maybe 31.4. This is beautiful. We are pamping, guys. I'm so happy to see it. Joe loves me too. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Aaron does, I hope. Bacon, eggs, and hash. Wonderful. Yeah, Alexandra, she feels bad for me because she knows that you guys are being mean. She knows that you guys are being mean. We love Joe. Maybe. Nobody. Oh, Joe, so then do you not like yourself? You're a YouTuber too. Make sure you guys smash these likes and share this stream out with friends. We have 75 likes. I would love to get 25 more. 25 more likes. Let's get 100. Let's get 100 likes. Let's get 100 likes. Man, guys, 31,112. We're starting to pump again, guys. We are starting to pump again. Let's get this, guys. Let's pamp it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Kevin, you smashed the likes? Absolutely. Lando said we're going to hit 34.6 this weekend. I'm looking forward to it. I hope so. Forget 100 likes. Let's get 10,000, like a million likes. Thank you. Wonderful. You know what, Joe? You know what, Creighton? Well, if you haven't given back the ring and asked for it back and sold it, then marketed the raisins, you would be number one, but at least you're dad. Oh my God. You're nuts, Creighton. I can't believe you're writing this stuff in my chat. You're a wild dude. You're a freaking wild dude. Joe videos are the best. I agree. Listen, man, I think he's cool. I think you guys are all smart, but you guys are bullying me now. Lando, it's hard to tell, man. Honestly, probably YouTube. Demo's nice to see you. She said pamp it. I did say to pamp it. Hi, Dave Digital. Hi, Dave Digital. How do we buy into the ETF? I don't know. Listen, man, I hope that we could get some clarity on this. SEC first, or SEC approves leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF. I want to see some news on this. I don't know which one it is. I don't know. Who does this? Like, there's, as you guys can see, there are no articles on this. Which one is it? Come on, CoinDesk. Give me some news. Volatility shares 2x Bitcoin strategy ETF will become the first leverage crypto ETF. So it's volatility shares. The SEC let it go effective today. The regulator has not denied the application for the 2x ETF. Volatility shares chief investment officer Stuart Barton said, paving the way for its upcoming launch on Tuesday. So this is the new news, guys. This is the new news. Quote, it's exciting to see the digital assets in the ETF wrapper, Barton said. A leveraged 2x ETF allows customers to gain Bitcoin exposure by only putting up half the value of the Bitcoin. The prospectus filing said that the ETF would correspond with the CME Bitcoin Futures Daily Roll Index. This comes in the wake of Bitcoin's value steadily rising past 30K after multiple traditional investment companies like BlackRock filed an Bitcoin ETF. So as you can see, this is the new news. The new news, volatility shares 2x Bitcoin strategy ETF, BITX. So this is not BlackRock. This is something different. Smash the likes, share the stream out with friends. Let's get 100 likes and 100 live viewers, guys. Let's get after it, guys. We only have 84 likes and 84 people watching. But this is what's happening right now, guys. This is what's happening right now. But you guys remember what Gary Gensler said. What did Gary Gensler say about us? Hucksters. All of these crazy things. Where is my video of Gary Gensler? We need to find this Gary Gensler clip, man. I have to find it. Where did it go? Look at the chart while I am finding some stuff. Because, again, I literally had no news pulled up today. I just had just my heart and my passion to bring to the table today. Gensler. There we go. I think I got it, guys. Oh, we also have... This is good. Let's play this clip while you guys are waiting. Oh gosh, what's happening?
I just bought 1 BTC and 10 ledgers.
Retro Mike, stop it. Stop it. All right, well, let's flash back to 2018. Gary Gensler, his wise words.
Over 70% of the crypto market is Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Why did I name those four? They're not securities.
One more time, Gary.
Over 70% of the crypto market is Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Why did I name those four? They're not securities.
Oh, that one was lit. That one was... But then things got personal, my friends. Things got personal. What did Gary say about us, man? Gary, why? Gary?
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
MTC is a
public being
Digibyte
left-
shill. Shame. Sheesh.
This is what I'm angry like Gary Gensler at Joe and Retro Mike.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes, the public being left in line at the bankruptcy courts. We've seen this story before. Hucksters.
Ouch. Oh. My heart. My heart. See you later, Kenny-O. My heart. My heart. Oh, wait. I got a package. Hold on. Had to let the package. Have a good day with Sophia, Kenny-O. What are you fudding me for? You're fudding me to Dave Digital, Creighton? Stop fudding me to Dave Digital. What? And Retro Mike, I bought 1 Bitcoin and 10 ledgers. I'm gonna beat you up, Retro Mike. And sheesh to you, Joe. Sheesh to you. She smiles. It brings me joy. I mean, yelling at people is funny, but you know, I'm not here to yell at everyone. But I think they like when I yell at them. I don't know. Crimson said, "Dave's not here, man. Dave Digital is right here." 3 Diglets. Oh no. Oh no. Don Manning, nice to see you. Much love, much love, much love. Guys, we have 93 likes. Let's get 7 more. I'm waiting for 7 more likes. I don't know what's going on here. Gary Gensler's angry at you. Oh, I'm a Rez. Thank you for your $2 super chat. What is that emoji? It's an unboxing emoji. Thank you. I appreciate it. Gary Gensler's mad at you.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes, the public being left in line at the bankruptcy courts. We've seen this story before.
Oh my gosh, we've seen this story before. I feel like I have seen it before, guys. I have seen this story before where people, again, were sitting outside the banks at SVB, First Republic. People, innocent individuals that are just sitting here trying to get their money out of the banks, and they couldn't. They literally could not get their money out of the banks. And that is absolutely scary because you want to have access to your money no matter what. No matter what. Now, you guys could take a look at the line outside of SVB.
I just dumped all my Litecoin.
Oh gosh, Retro Mike. No, you did not. Don't FUD Litecoin like that. Don't FUD the Litecoin community like that. Guys, do you know or remember, we just had this clip of Gary Gensler saying people waiting in a line outside the bankruptcy court. Do you guys remember this? Literally from March 10th. The line right outside Silicon Valley Bank. Those were everyday people. So are people really waiting outside at the bankruptcy court for all of these platforms? Or were they waiting outside in a line for their money at the banks? This is insane. It's such hypocrisy, a double standard. Now, Oh God, Retro Mike, I'm gonna beat you up. Skull is asking, do I invest in ETFs? I personally do not. I rather invest in Bitcoin. I rather invest in something or have something that actually belongs to me and I could be my own bank with. So I'm not really like, it makes institutions feel better, but it doesn't make me feel better. What is having due to coins? It makes it more scarce, right? Like, you have something like Litecoin where you have a halving in like 40 days and it cuts the block reward in half, so that keeps the inflation all scheduled. Alexandra G, thank you for the 5 membership gifts. I appreciate it. Yay! Thank you. Guys, if you got a membership from Alexandra G, please say thank you and throw an emoji in the chat. Who subscribed? Oh, this was a member. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, Coney Island gift. You like the Coney Island gift, Alexandra? I'm happy. Oh, that's awesome. Yay, you guys are reigning today. This is awesome. This is so fun. Wow. That was some passion right there. MTC versus Gary in a cage match. I'd be scared of Gary. I feel like he could really go off. I feel like he could like, Hi, Ryan McDonald. Welcome to the show. Nice to see you. Don Manning. Aaron said you don't want me to yell at you. I won't yell at you. I only want to yell at Creighton and Joe. And maybe Retro Mike too. He gets me a little spicy. Like, he's like, I can only beat him up if I bring Emma. Emma's a little crazy, man. Emma's a little crazy. Send one this way. Arduino? No, I hope I didn't get your name wrong, my friend. I'm going to call you Ard. You said it's your first time watching. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it.
Might break my bones, but Gary still can't take my Bitcoin. Cookie.
Geek of all trades. Geek of all trades with that $5 super chat. Spit in absolute knowledge. Let's read that one more time. Sticks and stones might break my bones, but Gary still can't take my Bitcoin. Let's go. Exactly. Bitcoin is money that cannot be taken away from you. Am I into ordinals? I'm here for the innovation, but I don't own any ordinals. Joe's like LFG. Yay. What's zesty? My friends, you are zesty. Everyone here is zesty. That is beautiful. Chat is super lit. Absolutely, we're lit. We're always lit here. Make sure you guys are smashing these likes. We have over 100 likes. So let's go. Let's go.
Geek is
more
here.
Super chat.
Look at Randy's red cheeks.
I can't. You guys really put me on the spot, man. Retro Mike, what are you guys doing to me, man? I'm literally like, this is getting a little crazy out here. We're getting a little crazy, right, Stefan over there on TikTok? We're getting a little crazy out here. Oh my gosh. And throw MTC some innovation. You guys are trying to hurt me. Lando, you became a member. Let's go. Welcome, Lando. Welcome to the Zesty fam.
MTC has a crush on Goat.
Who's that supposed to be? Oh, Geek Vulture. Oh. I thought you were saying like the goat. Now I understand. I'm gonna beat you up, Joe. You guys are crazy. You guys are nuts. You guys are nuts. Background funds. Lando, thank you for giving me some hype for the backgrounds. I appreciate it. One day, listen, we're gonna upgrade. The computer will be fixed at one point. I won't have computer issues. Everything will be better. So we're getting there. We are getting there. But with you guys supporting the channel the way you guys are, if we keep supporting the channel, then I will get a new background one day. I will be able to expand my operations and be able to do some better content and up our quality here. But yeah. MTC live PC build. I hope, the computer is being worked on. DD said McDonald's didn't give me a straw. I spilled Coke on my lap. DD, I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry. Zippy's like, I need a stream deck. You were absolutely correct about that. One day I will have a stream deck. I will have all of these things, and I will learn how to use all of it, and that way we could do our own thing. Because right now, again, I'm my own producer. I'm flipping through all these things. I have all these things set up, here, the Missteencrypto show here. And yeah, I have like a lot of things going on, but I'm my own producer. I go live, I create my own streams, I get my own news every single day. I don't just have like articles handed to me. Like I really work hard on my research for the show, and I make sure I have articles of today, why it's happening, what happened in the past leading up to today. So I really do try to, again, like do the right thing, and make sure I give you guys the best quality information, the best quality show. Like I said, I don't beef with people on Twitter. I don't like do all these crazy things. I'm very much like on my lane. I've been on my lane, my path since I got on crypto Twitter over 3 years ago, working hard on spreading crypto and NFT adoption, positivity, and educating the masses on cryptocurrency and NFTs, because this is what we're here for, is education. And I understand that we're joking around in the chat. It's Friday. Absolutely, we will joke around in the chat like we do a lot. But again, like the fundamental reason of why I'm here is to educate, give love, and make sure that we could all succeed and that we could all make it and enter a decentralized financial ecosystem in which we own our money and that we're able to spread the love. Oh my gosh, you guys are freaking nuts in this chat. I can't read it. I actually can't read it. I can't. I can't look at you guys.
Lies. You beef with me on Twitter.
Mike, yeah, I do beef with you on Twitter, but it's justified. It's justified. We're going back to Bitcoin. We're over 31K again. We just keep bouncing at 30K. We're at $30,114. We're on the 5-minute chart, so we're bouncing around. MetaMask said I should do 24/7 live streams with short breaks. Oh no, that would be crazy, man. I don't know if you guys would like to see a 24-hour live stream, like, you know. Yeah, I don't know if you guys would like to see that. Destroyer 1911, you're doing good work. Thank you so much. Lawson said first time visit. Is this channel only a chat? Like, what's going on? Are there numbers, math, and other real education discussed? Lawson, usually I have like a whole slew of news articles, but today I didn't plan anything. I wasn't even planning on going live today, but if you're here Monday through Thursday, that's where the best quality information is. I should have Emma on the show. Emma, it's up to Emma if she wants to come on the show. She could pull up right now. She's like here, but she doesn't want to. Lando, is this a full-time gig for you? Yeah, it is. So like basically I do crypto full-time. I've been full-time since I graduated high school. So I graduated high school in June 2021, and I've been here ever since, every single day tweeting, every single day making content, and then just recently started this podcast, the Daily Zest, that I do daily Monday through Thursday, and sometimes like this on Fridays when there's zesty things going on. But we do have $31,000 Bitcoin. Going to college? No, I am not. Oh, crypto. I don't know if I can say your last name on stream. I might get in trouble. But Crypto, welcome to the Zesty fam. Thank you for joining as a friend. Make sure you guys welcome them to the Zesty fam. Welcome CD to the Zesty fam. If Emma gets on camera, you'll send 47 sats. It's up to Emma, man. It's up to Emma. No, I won't say your name. You know what? Now I'm gonna ignore you, Retro Mike. Now I think I'm gonna have to ignore you guys. I think you got that your whole life. All right, well, Crypto. Yeah, I'm gonna call you Crypto D or CD. That's your name now. All right, guys, we need to stay over 31,001. I want to see that. I want to see a pop. A pop. No G, what's up? Oh God, Aaron. Jeez. You guys are crazy. I can't look at this chat anymore. I'm actually so shook. I'm actually so shook. I can't. Emma. Oh, Emma, you do have to go for it. Oh, so I do have to leave with Emma in a little while. I forgot about that. I do have something to do. All right, let's break 31 too. We're heading that way. I think I have to close my window because someone's drilling right outside my window. What does Market Cipher look like? Market Cipher is looking glorious. This is the 5-minute chart, B team. So we have an increase in green money flow. If you guys want to check out Market Cipher, please use my link in the live chat and purchase your Market Cipher. Hi, Geronimo. So now we got some green money flow. Need to get that momentum shifting. We have the VWAP heading down towards the 0 line. NY Streets is education enough. I agree. But there we go. That's basically what we got here. Let's look on the daily if anything has changed. And there we go. We have an uptick. We need to see some green money flow here is what I'm really looking for, missteencrypto. That's what I want. Green money flow. We're almost there. Yes, a MetaMask is saying, let's pump the likes. Pump it up. No, guys, Emma's not actually going bald, guys. You guys are losing your noodles. She's not actually going bald. She's not. Even though that would be funny. You want me to bring back the straight hair? Yeah, well, I don't know. Listen, straight hair, I like it, but at the same time, I don't get the volume back. Yeehaw! Hi, Ace Database. Thank you for the hat and mustache. I appreciate it. Woo! Oh my gosh, you're raining on me. I can't, Ace Database. You're giving me like 10 of these? Are you giving me like the whole goal? You're crazy, man. You are crazy. Thank you. I appreciate it. I gotta plug in my TikTok because it's about to die. Hold on. Thank you, Ace Database. Ooh, there we go. Okay, I had to plug that in, or else I was gonna die. Straight hair at 50K. Listen, if I got like, I don't know, I would have to actually maybe like challenge, like a super chat challenge to straighten my hair. I don't know if I would do it right now because even when I straighten my hair, I feel like my volume's not there. Guys, we just broke 31.2, but then we broke down below it. Why? Come on, 31.2. 31.2. Come on. 31.199. And we slipped. Bacon, Eggs, and Hash said my hair is perfect. Don't change it. I will listen to you, Bacon, Eggs, and Hash. Ace Database, thank you. I appreciate the heart me. He said, fun fact, you were on a host on Crypto Nights podcast. Oh, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. Oh, Geek of All Trades is over there on TikTok too. Oh no. How was meeting Michael Saylor? Over Zoom, it was great. It was a great podcast. Hash rate said, would like Bitcoin to hit 32.4 and hold. That would be nice. I want to see 31.8. That's what I'm looking for is 31.8. Aaron said, you like my hair. Thank you. I agree. People prefer the curls. I agree. I'm going to stick with that. Loss in Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we could look at Bitcoin dominance, man, because everyone's flipping out about Bitcoin dominance. Oh my God, Bitcoin dominance is over 50%. Listen, it's 51, almost 52% Bitcoin dominance. It is what it is, you know. I think this is when a lot of people like FOMO into altcoins when Bitcoin dominance is over 50%. The curly hair matches the zest. Thanks, AC Hook. Hi, MK. Creighton likes the curly. All right. So crypto in high school. What's my origin story? All right, so I'll give you my origin story for those that have never heard it. Hi, Sophisticated. Welcome to the show. Make sure you guys are smashing these likes as I'm talking.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how fastly would you move to Georgia to be with Geek?
Retro Mike, I'm going to beat you up. And also, Creighton might get mad at you. Creighton, and you're outdoing Creighton right now in terms of, like, these messages, so I don't know. I think you got to deal with Creighton now. You guys are going to have to beef in the chat. All right. Well, here's my origin story for my crypto. So here, rewinding a little bit. Crypto origin story. I was 13 years old back in 2016. Oh, Ace Database. Thank you so much for that. I was 13 years old back in 2016. My dad, he was yipping and yapping about this Bitcoin thing. And I was like, what are you talking about? I thought he was crazy. He was going to all these meetups, meeting all these strangers on the internet and at conferences. I didn't understand what he was doing. I thought he was crazy. And essentially, I didn't think I could do anything with Bitcoin. I thought that Bitcoin was something for adults. All I heard when I was younger were numbers, adult things. Then, of course, I was young and naive. I then turned 16. It was 2019. My dad actually went to the Litecoin Summit. He came back and I was like, I don't know why you're meeting up with all these people. I just didn't understand. And then crypto was starting to click for me a little bit, but then we did our first Bitcoin transaction. Now, the first Bitcoin transaction is really what gave me that light bulb moment because I saw how easy it was to use. All you have to do is scan a QR code, copy and paste an address or a username, and you can instantly send funds to anyone anywhere in the world instantly without permission, nobody in between, just like handing out cash. And I thought that was amazing because I could then go into a store and they could scan my phone or I could scan a QR code and pay instantly and leave without having to do the whole fiat transaction. If you speak to a lot of younger people, they don't even hold their coins, like those little nickels, dimes, pennies, whatever. They throw them in the garbage because they literally can't spend them.
There's Bitcoin and then everything else.
Thank you, 3 Diglets, for a $10 super chat and that statement. Now, when I did my first Bitcoin transaction, again, that whole light bulb moment kind of came around for me. So then I was looking at my bank account at the time. I had a few $100 in there. That was literally only like $200, something like that. And I saw that when I was growing up, everyone told me that I had to keep my money in the bank. You'll earn interest on your money in the bank. But then I saw my $200 was always $200. It never changed. It never went up. I never earned interest. And I saw my purchasing power was going down. That I noticed prices were going up. The amount of money that I had in my pocket couldn't go as far as it did. I decided to put my money in Bitcoin. So I put money in Bitcoin. When I was 17, I was a junior in high school. It was the pandemic. Things got really sad. I loved going to school. I loved saying good morning to people in the morning. I used to bake cookies and bring cookies into school. I was such a nerd. I finished overall for my whole 4 years of high school, my average was like a 97 point something percent. So that just to give you an idea of how much of a nerd I was and how much I loved school. I literally had I had some businesses going on with school. I was tutoring. I was, doing charity events. I did sports for a few years. My freshman year, I was doing softball. My sophomore year, I was a cheerleader. Then my junior year is kind of when everything kind of went sideways. The pandemic, everything happened. So I just took a step back and decided I want to focus on everything I'm doing with my education, like keeping up my grades, because I was such a nerd. I was doing tutoring, everything like that. Everything shut down. I was sitting in my house. I was like so bored. Streets were empty. Everything was so negative. So I wanted to be a part of the crypto community. I was already obsessed with crypto right before the pandemic happened. I was actually asking some of my classmates, what do you guys think of me doing a YouTube channel or doing something with like Bitcoin and crypto? And I got made fun of in high school a lot because I was a nerd. I was not like the regular girl that was like gossiping and doing all this other stuff. So they were like, don't do it. You'll just get made fun of more than you're already getting made fun of. And I was actually going to do like a news segment. Like my school had an actual news set going on, wanted to do news. And I just said, you know what? I don't care if people are going to make fun of me. They already don't understand me. So let them not understand me even more. What I did next is I then went on Twitter. I remember the day I did it. Joe, stop it. I remember the day I did it, the day I created missteencrypto. I was outside of a park. I was sitting in my car and I was like so upset. And I hated everything that was going on in the world, from the closures to not being able to talk to anybody. I felt really isolated, even more than I already felt. And I was just like in a different mindset, my friends, a different mindset. And I wanted to be positive. I wanted to do better things. I wanted to help people. So now what I did was I created missteencrypto. I just kind of came up with the username. I even said to my dad and my sister, I was like, what do you think of the name missteencrypto? I was already on Twitter using my school handle, but I didn't want to use my name. I was young. I was 17. So I said to my family, I was like, what do you think of like missteencrypto? And my dad was like, that's actually like pretty good. And my sister really liked it too. And I felt like it was really fitting. So I just saw the handle was available on Instagram, Twitter, whatever, and just took it.
Congrats MTC and Joe _SpongeBob.
Mike, I'm going to beat you up. Stop it. Stop it. I can't with you, man. So, Boo Man said he thought there was a competition. No. There wasn't a competition for missteencrypto. I kind of gave myself the title. However, I did really love crypto, and I really thought it was something to help people. It was positive, and I found that like a lot of people in crypto understood me, whereas I went to school and I went and even spoke to my teachers about, finances and things, that they just didn't get it. So I went back to school that was like over the summer. I was really going off with missteencrypto. So the fall of my senior year, I went back to school. People were like, I had teachers approach me telling me to take down my Twitter account. You shouldn't be doing it. Bitcoin's a Ponzi, this and that. And what I found really ironic at that time, and I thought it was really crazy to understand this, but when I was going up to teachers and then telling me, don't even look at Bitcoin, delete your crypto account, it's a Ponzi scheme, it made me realize that a lot of the people that were doing the education didn't want to be educated. So it made me feel like I wanted to be on the other side of it, where I'm someone that's learning. I obviously was a student, but I wanted to continue being a student, but educate others and be open-minded. So I thought that was really ironic. Again, teachers that were doing the teaching didn't want to be taught. I then had to keep, I had other teachers approaching me, asking me if I was okay. They were like, they were like, Randi, or Miss Teen. They were like, Randi, are you okay? And I'm like, why are you asking me if I'm okay? And one teacher was like, well, all the teachers and the students are talking about you. And I said, that's because they don't understand. And one day they will. So I just kept going with that. And it was like, you know, a few people like in my school that really had my back, like a, you know, one teacher or two that really, and really that was really only it, that had my back and really pushed me through. By the end of my senior year, I was speaking at events. I was going to events. I was, you know, actually being featured in the newspapers. I was getting hit up by the New York Times. All of these things you could see on my website. I was in the New York Times. I started to get hit with New York Times, USA Today, Markets Insider. I really saw that this was going to be something that way beyond what I thought. At the beginning, I was just making videos. I was saying, good morning, crypto Twitter. I started good morning, crypto Twitter. And then other people kind of took it and spun it. But I did start good morning, crypto Twitter. I've been tweeting it every single day for years. So I really went through something rough. My family didn't understand, especially because I was approaching the end of high school. I was applying to colleges, but my heart wasn't in it. I thought I was going to be a psychologist. I was taking 2 college courses in a row. When I was in high school, I took 2 college courses, got college credits for not only psychology, I got college credits for English, I got college credits for math, I got college credits up the wazoo. So I was fully prepared to go to college and being ahead of it too. However, I made the decision not to go. And I was working part-time as a dental assistant when I first started. And I was managing Twitter and my dental assistant job. And then they didn't like what I was doing. So I was getting like, even the professionals at work didn't want to leave, you know, the personal feelings aside. So I kind of was getting sheesh about crypto while I was trying to work. I had to eventually not work there anymore. It kind of had to cut ties there. All was good on that front because once I stopped working my part-time job, and I started going full on in crypto, I realized how much, like I really loved crypto and it was my passion from the start, but I really saw how far I can take it because now I have the time to sit home and do my content. It's not hard to do what I'm doing. I'm taking the hardest route. I think when you're building something like this, where I'm literally starting with nothing, and really trying to become someone with something. And I'm getting emotional even talking about it because I've just gone through so much to get to the point where I'm at now. And I know this is only the beginning, and I know that you guys really helped me there. But yeah. Hashrate said, chatted with you at Bozak's shitcoin conference in 2020 in Miami. You were on your way already, stuck well with the folks. Oh my God, Hashrate, you remember me from shitcoin conference. Dude, shout out to freaking Ken Bozak. Like, that guy is amazing. I know he's like, you know, people might not be the biggest fan of him, but he really did help me a lot at the beginning. And I'll never forget him. Freaking never. But yeah, I worked really hard, and then I started, like, once I graduated in June 2021, around then is when I started my podcast, the missteencrypto show. So I started, Ken Bozak was actually my first ever interview. I started to get the opportunity to interview people like Charlie Lee, gave me the opportunity. He was one of my first biggest interviews, Charlie Lee. He gave me the opportunity to interview him for the 10th anniversary of Litecoin, which is absolutely freaking historic. But yeah, I work really hard. I'm starting from the absolute bottom, and I could have taken like some stupid stuff and like posted some really dumb things, and maybe teamed up with the wrong people. But what I try to do is build from the bottom and not take the easy things and just work with the right people and help you guys is my most important thing.
You're not weird, you're different, got a strong independent streak. You want to walk a different path. You're ahead of the game, Randy. You're also a total flirt. Italian flirting involves arguing.
Thank you, Creighton. I appreciate it. I don't know about the flirt part, but Italian, we do love to yell. We do love to yell. And I appreciate that because, like, again, I love this space and I love what it does for people. And what it's done for me is give me, like, you know, real sense of purpose, a real sense of, you know, what I want to do with my life. And this is what I want to do with my life. And I know that we joked around a lot today. I didn't even have, like, you know, any news lined up today. We were just joking around the entire time. And that's what I love is, like, I could literally just go live on the freaking internet out of nowhere. And I have you guys here for me. So I just think it's really awesome. And I'm trying not to get emotional here. I'm trying to, like, you know, focus on the news and everything. But I really do love what I do, and I will never stop doing what I'm doing ever. Because I don't care how hard the road is, because it is not easy, but I'm so here for it. You know what I mean? One cookies. I think I'm gonna do a cookie live stream maybe in a few weeks because I have some peeps that I want to bake some cookies for, but that's in like 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3. So, like, maybe I'll do one before there. Geeks, the secret to success is find something you love to do and find a way of making money doing it. Listen, man, I think, you know, building a business is not easy. And I'm definitely not doing it the easy way because I feel like I could have been living a different lifestyle if I made different decisions on who I worked with. But I only want to work with the right people so that you come to my streams and you look at it and you're like, oh, okay, like she's doing the right thing. She's really here for us. You know, I always watch what I'm doing. I could have, again, done some really dumb things, but I decided to keep my stuff clean as possible and positive. Thank you guys for the love. Make sure you guys are smashing these likes and sharing the stream out with friends. Dave Digital, well, what you do loves you, MTC, especially Creighton. Yeah, I don't know. Creighton, I feel like we're having some tips here with Creighton. Randy A said, Randy, doing what you love and being passionate about it. Absolutely. Crypto CD says, this was the first membership I ever bought. You're incredibly smart. Next up is Sin City Crypto. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Crypto lives forever. Absolutely. That's it. And you guys love the Hipper fam. Yes, we all love you guys too. We really do love you guys. We love popping in the chat. We love talking to you guys every single day. Like after I get off my stream, I literally we talk about it. Like my dad and I, and even my sister, she's home, and we talk about how great you guys are and how much we freaking love the family here. So yeah, we really do like appreciate you guys, like as a family, like we really do. And you guys are our family now. So you guys who are here every day, we appreciate you. And you guys are a part of the family. If you are here, you're smashing these likes, you're in this stream, like you are family. You are a hipper as well. We are hip hip hooray-ing, as
Thanks for sharing your
says.
journey. Keep up good work.
Thank you for the $13 super chat, Man versus Machine. Of course, I'm gonna share my journey. And I feel like, you know, a lot of people may be like, it's a little unprofessional sharing all these things, but I don't care. I'm a person. And I feel like we all have to be people or else it's not real. I'm not a robot. I don't make myself look a certain way or act a certain way. I'm just myself. So that's what I'm going to be. So thank you for helping me with that.
Have you looked into Casper? Love the stream.
Thank you, Real SR. I have looked in. I've taken some looks at Casper, but I could look at the chart if that's what you would like. Since you gave me a super chat, I'm more than welcome to take a look at it for you. Here is the chart. We're up 3.65% on Diglets.
You know what I smash? Tricks.
Hey, go off 3 Diglets. Thank you for your $10 super chat. I appreciate that. But this is the Caspa chart. I know of Caspa. I'm not really too deep into the ecosystem, but it seems like we were sideways trading between here and kind of the range that we are around out now, which is like 27 cents. It seems like we're trying to break out. Maybe the next level we could look at is 31.5, but it seems like we're breaking out. We're having some nice days here. Nice upswing here with Caspa. We have a slight amount of green money flow here on the charts of VWAP heading over, so looks cool. Lando, not unprofessional. Authenticity is the future. And that's kind of like how I feel. I want to be real with you guys. I'm not going to not be real. I'm just going to be completely honest all the time and just, share my story. And I feel like, a lot of us in crypto kind of feel the same way. I do have to head out, my friends, because unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, I'm just going with Emma to shave her head bald. I'm just kidding. She's not going bald. Hi, David. Nice to see you. Noji, MTC The Truth, Wave Rider. Nice to see you. How can you not love Journey? are you talking about Journey's the store or the band? I'm just kidding. Hi, Chris. Nice to see you. Nice to see you guys. If you guys have any last minute questions or anything, I will be more than happy to answer them. Alexandra G said, keeping it real. Absolutely always keeping it real. Don Manning, hope you have a good weekend too. Oh, thank you, Ninja, for your $1 super chat with your little black cat. That's so cute. I appreciate it. Sheesh, I had to sign up in 30 screens to tip through Stream Elements. Is that true? Did it go through, Boo Man? Did it go through? Half bald, half braids for Emma. Oh my God. Cornelius. Ew, Cornelius, that's gross. Can someone time him out? What's Iris, Creighton? Do I sound like an animated character? Oh, Boo Man, it didn't go through. I'm upset. I should get $10 sometime today. All right. Thank you, Boo Man. Appreciate your $10 super chat, future super chat. I appreciate that. Make sure let's smash these likes. I see we have 90 people here. Can we get 150 likes before I leave? Gary G DM before you call out more securities. Yeah, let us know first. Let us know first, please. Let us know first. Three Diglets likes a big bowl of Trix. Oh, like Trix cereal. Like Trix are for kids. Like that one. I used to love those commercials. Guys, smash these likes. I want 150, 150, 150. Iris is a song. Oh, I will listen to it. Maybe I won't because Creighton's asking me to. I think I have to do the opposite of what Creighton wants. What did you think it was, Randy? LOL. I don't know. I just wanted to reassure myself that you were talking about Trix, like the Trix is for kids. Morty, you said you haven't slept and your head's going to blow up. Please fix that. Please go to bed. Please. Exit our stream. Go to sleep. You'll stick to YouTube chat, though you'll get less of a cut. Yeah, it's annoying, Boo Man. It's annoying. The crypto one is good, though. The crypto one is good. I should probably listen to it. If you're telling me to, then no. No, Creighton, I will not listen to it just because you asked me. Guys, let's get 150 likes. 9 more. It's a song by the Goo Goo Dolls. Okay, I'll look into it. Maybe not because Creighton's asking me to. I'm just kidding. You guys are great. Thank you guys so much for joining me. MTC, he knows that you will do the opposite of what he says. He's always 7 moves ahead. Oh, gosh. Come Fair said, is a Bitcoin Please Go to the Moon song day? Yeah, we could sing Bitcoin, go to the moon. Bitcoin, go to the moon. Bitcoin, go to the moon. Live stream Emma's haircut. I wonder how Emma would feel about me live streaming her going bald. I'm just kidding. Thank you guys so much. Randi Hipper, the sweetest name on the blockchain. Thank you, David. I appreciate that. Listen, guys, I gotta head out of here. I'm so happy about today. Thank you guys all for your contributions. Oh, Boo Man, you didn't have to do that. Thank you for your $5 super chat. Sheesh, man. I mean, usually I get an email and it pops up. Like Bulldog did it before and it worked.
Just in case the other doesn't go through, I'll split the difference.
Yay! Thank you. I appreciate it. Have a great weekend, guys. Guys, I feel like I hear a song. Pump it up. We gotta pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. Like, you guys are pumping up these likes. You're subscribing and sharing this stream out and commenting after this is over. If we're going to hit 32K this weekend, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up.